Hi, welcome to 56 Treasure K in TTA Estates. My new listing, you're gonna love it. It's 3-bedroom, 3 baths, lake view, brand new roof, brand new everything. Come on and check it out. You are going to love this outdoor space on this home. The roof, the soffits, everything's been redone, including the decking. You've got a seasonal lake view and this adorable outdoor fireplace. Plus, it walks around to the front door for guests to come see you, and there's golf cart parking there. This home offers over 1,800 square feet and is set up to be a 3-bedroom, 3-bath lockout rental. You can use it as a personal home, a rental, or a getaway. This home offers incredible parking and also has a full-size laundry room, which is highly unusual in TTA Estates. Everything in this home has been updated and redone inside and out. You won't want to miss the high-end features in the kitchen, including the induction cooktop, the pot filler, the high-end cabinets, the built-in oven, and the farmhouse sink. You won't want to miss all of the amenities and features of not only TTA Estates, but also Margaritaville, which is literally just steps away. For more information to book a private showing, contact me, Susan Ebling, 573-216-1233.